Hi guys, I'm Paolo Boncoel from Auto3C. Today I will show you how car aircon works.
First, the process begins with the compressor, which is driven by the engine via the compressor clutch. The compressor takes the low pressure refrigerant vapor and compresses into hot high gas pressure. This one, the red one. This. Next, the hot gas flows into the condenser. This is the condenser, located at the front of the car. As the air flows over the condenser fins, helped by the condenser fan, this one, the gas cools down and condenses into high pressure liquid. This one, the yellow one. And then the refrigerant passes through the receiver and dryer. This one, which filters out any moisture or debris to protect the system and keep the refrigerant clean and dry. This one. From there, the refrigerant flows to the expansion valve. This is where the pressure suddenly drops and the refrigerant turns into a cold, low pressure liquid vapor. This is the expansion valve. And the blue one, this is the cold liquid or vapor in low pressure. And then this cold refrigerant enters to the evaporator located inside the dashboard. This one, this is the blue one. As warm air from the cabins passes over the evaporator coils, the refrigerant absorbs the heat, cooling the air. At the same time, the cabin blower blows the now cool air through the vents end into the car interior. Finally, refrigerant, now low pressure vapor again, returns to the compressor and the cycle repeats. And